How to see the password for the Wi-Fi network on your iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we will cover the topic of saved Wi-Fi passwords. It became very difficult to remember the passwords for all the Wi-Fi networks we connected to. When someone asks us, we simply cannot remember the password. Fortunately, there is a way to view it on our phone. We have to open the settings on our phone. In the list of options, we need to find the Wi-Fi section. Let's open it. In a new window, we will get the networks that are available to us. Here we need to select the one we want and click on the blue icon on the right. Here, information about the network we have given will be opened. Among others, there is also an option to display the password. We click. The phone will ask us to load a fingerprint or to load our face or to enter a PIN. When we have done that, the password for that network is displayed. In this way, we can see what the password is for a certain network at any time. That's all for this video. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Also watch our other videos on this topic. See you in the next video.